Right, I'm at Canadian Tire at Liberty Village, and I already paid for this on sale for $119 and change, I think. And I have a Canadian Tire credit card, and anytime I use it, I collect points. And I had $107 of Canadian Tire money, so I cashed in $100. So all I had to pay was $35 because stupid tax, unfortunately. So let me round it. Okay, so on sale for $119.99. HST tax $15.60. Total is $135.59. I redeemed $100 Canadian Tire, and all I have to paid for this Wagon, Foldable Wagon, $35.59. So that's what I do. I wait for a sale to come on, and been eyeing this off and on, and this should be fine. And I am gonna set it up on the Dolly like I did for the IKEA nightstand. So let's see if this will work. So again, I brought a clear plastic bag to cover it. So do this. Okay. So it is heavier. Let's go this. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'll tie it up. Okay. Oh, I just ripped the bag. Should be fine. Let's see if this is gonna work. Make sure the locks. Okay. I'll just assemble this when I get home. Well, whenever I get around to it. Okay, make sure everything's locked. Okay. This can go around. It's long enough to wrap around. Okay. And then I want one up and down, or is, I don't know which one. Let's see. Or maybe just around again. This one's a shorter cord. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think that'll do. One thing about this one, because it's higher, it is pressing against my hand, the handlebar, so, or the handlebar. You know what I mean. All right, so I have to probably take breaks in between. Okay. Well, that's it anyway. I don't. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Well, that's how I do it. Yeah. Get on the streetcar. Maybe. I'm gonna walk it, but. All right. On the streetcar. Gotta do up my this bag. Oh. All right, that's it for this show and tell, I guess.